Welcome to our tutorial on creating script flows, the visual diagrams that help you map out employee interactions and streamline your conversations with clients. Today, we'll walk you through building a basic flow on our platform. Script flows are designed to guide your team through every step of client interaction. Our flows use different types of nodes to ensure clear, efficient communication. Let's take a look at the building blocks. Initial nodes. This is your starting point. Every flow begins here. Instructional nodes. These nodes provide written instructions for your employees. They can include answer validations to ensure the response meets your requirements before moving on. Conditional nodes. With these nodes, you offer your employees multiple paths based on user responses. For example, you can set up path A and path B. The employee will choose the right path when the conditions are met. If no condition is met, the instructional node will repeat until a valid answer is provided. At last, the plugin nodes. These nodes are used to trigger custom tools, such as sending an email or transferring a call. To see these options, simply install the plugins from the Team Plugins section. Before we build our flow, here are a few guidelines to keep in mind. When you have a single path and want to validate the answer before you continue, use the answer validation option in the instructional nodes. Don't try to use a single conditional node as it won't work. And remember, when creating conditional nodes, always include at least 2 conditions, or the flow will skip this step. Now let's get started. First, navigate to the script flow section on your dashboard and click on Create Flow. You'll see a Start node appear at the top center of the screen. Begin from the initial node. Next, create an instructional node that includes answer validation. In this node, we'll ask the user for their name and make sure they provide it. Once the name is validated, connect another instructional node. This time, ask the lead to choose between customer support and technical support. Each option will have its own subsequent instructional node to continue the process. Now create a conditional node for each path and an instructional node after each condition. Notice how each branch continues the flow. You can test each path to ensure your conditions are clear and unambiguous. If no condition is met, the flow will repeat the instructional prompt until the right answer is provided. Now that we've built our basic flow, it's time to save it and test it out. Click Save, and then run through a few tests to ensure that each node works as expected. And that's it. You now have a fully functioning script flow that will guide your team through every step of client interaction with precision. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides on maximizing your team's efficiency. Happy scripting!